on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got the MN99 SA out in front of us here today. We're just getting it ready to head out to have some fun with it. And I thought I'd give you guys a look at what I've actually been working on for the MN99 here this past week. So you can see the stock wheels there, stock tires. Well, we've designed and printed up some airless tires. Now, I did this a few weeks back with the MN78, different style of airless tire. Here, I'll pull it in here quickly. And it performed quite well. I was happy with how these performed. They did great. So I figured, you know what? I want to design some airless tires for the 99 here, and that's what I did. So there it is, guys, along with the wheel I designed and printed as well. Now the tires, they're decently soft. They're not nearly as soft as the stock tires. So I don't think they're going to perform that great for climbing necessarily, but for some overlanding, maybe some trail runs, I think these hopefully will do half decent. So we got a nice tread pattern on there. You can see right clear through there. We've got some other bracing on the inside there that you can't really see, but we'll see, guys. Now, print time for these. The wheels, 2.5 hours to print those per wheel, and these actually surprised me how long these actually took to print. They're 17.5 hours per print. So altogether to make this set of wheels was 80 hours. It's just insane. But they're done. They turned out, no failed prints, and I'm just going to glue this one up. We got the other one right here glued up, ready to go, and we're going to see you guys out on the probably out at the pit, I would think, and see how these do. So we'll see you out there.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when
awesome.
I'm running. I always take what I want.
We got the MN99 SA here, guys. We got those custom 3D printed wheels and airless tires on there. And we're just out having a little fun with it today. So far, not bad.
Maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this,
Nice.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough I'm back, you know that I never left. I got tracks and some music that you never guessed. I don't slack, don't lose, learn your lesson yet. When I get to choose what I do, I'm like a weapon. I'm not sharp as many, but got hard. I'm ready to change scars to envy, to win large and plenty. I like to play fast, never change back. Calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. Oh, you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots. You are not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who are half-nots, who are not as tough as me.
All right, guys, we're back in with the MN99 from testing out those 3D printed wheels and airless tires, and they performed as I expected. They were not bad, actually, going over land, over small obstacles. They did pretty good, but then we got into some inclines, trying to do a little bit of climbing. They weren't so good. Now, keep in mind, this is a stock MN99. I've done nothing to it, so it's stock electronics, stock motor, stock suspension. I've done nothing to it, so the tires didn't really get much help. But you know what, guys? I'm happy with them. I'm glad I printed them. It took some time, 80 hours total, to put these wheels and tire combinations together here. It took the better part of a week with those printers going. But I'm glad I did it. You know what I'll do, guys? If you're interested in printing a set of these wheels and tires for yourself, I'll upload the files to Thingiverse and leave the link down below for you to check out. So grab them if you want. They actually not too bad. Depends what you're using your MN99 for. But yeah, I was happy to get out, test them. I think I'll have them out again with these tires on. I think what I might do, guys, you saw the Jeep earlier, and if you watched the video a couple weeks ago, the MN78 with the honeycomb airless tires, I think those performed a bit better, and I might redesign this whole wheel combination here and maybe use a honeycomb airless tire, but that'll be some way down the road from now. When I do that, you guys will obviously be a part of that. But for right now, guys, let's leave it at that. You like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. New to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you head out. And remember, don't be a stranger. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.